Hey guys, General Mechanic right here, another quick video. Today I got a 2011 Volkswagen Tiguan or Tiguan, however you say it. It's a little 4-cylinder, and the problem with this thing I had is cylinder number 4 misfire, and on top of that I had cylinder disabling. So what I have learned from Volkswagen engine is when you got a misfire, not from a bad coil or anything like that, but misfire like losing spark somewhere in the cylinder, the computer is gonna shut the fuel injector up and we're gonna have a cylinder disabling. So I want to share what I found, and this is what I got right here. This is the coil out of number 4 cylinder, and if you can look over here, the little boot inside of the coil was broken, and if you pay a quick look, you can see that the spark was coming out of there and making short to ground in the cylinder itself. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna replace this coil, erase the computer memory, replace the spark plugs, make sure that every other one is good. And of course we only had a problem or a code coming from number 4 cylinder. So this is what I found. If you got misfire on any of the cylinder on any Volkswagen with cylinder disabling codes, be sure that you got something going on with the spark plug, coil, or even it can be coming out of a wire too. I just recently fixed a 11 Jetta with the same problem, and that was a wire engine, and it was doing the same thing. We had a bad wire, ignition wire, and it was causing the whole problem to happen. So this is what I wanted to share. Make sure you check your coils before you start spending any money on any fuel injectors or anything like that. So hopefully this can be of helpful to anybody trying to figure out this problem. And if you like the video, don't forget to leave thumbs up. Any questions, leave it in the comment below. But main thing, subscribe, as we got more videos coming. So thanks a lot. Have a great day.